What if you could create viral style AI influencers, realistic avatars, or social media content without showing your face at all? That is exactly what Famous.ai promises. But the real question is Famous.ai actually good in 2026? Or is it just another overhyped AI tool? Let's find out. What is Famous.ai? Famous.ai is an AI powered platform that lets you create virtual influencers, talking AI avatars, and automated social media content. It's mainly designed for content creators, marketers, small businesses, anyone who wants a digital persona without being on camera. And the idea is simple: AI does the face, voice, and delivery, while you focus on the message or the prompt. Key features: AI avatars and virtual influencers. You can choose from multiple AI generated characters or customize your own. These avatars can talk, lip sync, show facial expressions, and it is perfect for short form content like TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Text to video creation. Just type your script, choose an avatar, and Famous.ai turns it into a video. This is a big time saver if you are posting daily. AI voices. The platform includes multiple AI voices with different accents and tones. They are not perfect, but in 2026, they are much more natural than older AI voices. Social media focus. Famous.ai is clearly built for short form viral content, not long YouTube documentaries. It works best for Instagram Reels, TikTok, ads, faceless niche pages. Ease of use. One thing Famous.ai does well is simplicity. The dashboard is clean, beginner friendly, and you do not need any editing skills. If you have never used AI tools before, you will feel comfortable with minutes. Pricing and plans. Famous.ai uses a subscription based model, with pricing depending on video length, number of exports, avatar usage. It is not the cheapest AI tool, but it's also not outrageously expensive compared to competitors in 2026. Best suited for people who plan to post content consistently. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, great for faceless content, saves time and effort, good avatar quality for short videos, useful for marketing and ads. Cons: limited realism compared to real humans, not ideal for long form YouTube videos. Some voices still sound slightly robotic. Subscription required, no true free plan. Who is Famous.ai best for? Famous.ai is a great choice if you are running a faceless YouTube or TikTok channel, creating ads or promo videos, managing social media for clients, testing AI influencers, or digital personas. But if you want deep storytelling or cinematic YouTube content, this might not be the right tool. Final verdict. So, is Famous.ai any good in 2026? Yes, but with clear limitations. It is not revolutionary, but it is reliable, fast, and effective for short form AI content. If your goal is speed, automation, and faceless content creation, Famous.ai is definitely worth trying. If you found this review helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.